Hi friends, welcome back to Stockwood channel. So in today's video, we'll be tracking about the news of three stocks and also discussing about how the particular stock has been performing in the last couple of quarters. Right. So with this understanding, let's get into the stock specifics. So the stock number one which I'll be discussing today is SKF India. So SKF India is basically a bearing manufacturing company. So this company has got into an agreement to acquire another company called CleanMax Thayo, right? So CleanMax Thayo is basically a company which is into generating electricity and also supplying the electricity to various of its customers. So SKF India was previously purchasing electricity from CleanMax Thayo, right? So the main intention of the transaction which SKF has got into with CleanMax Thayo is to reduce the cost that is it is incurring in terms of purchasing the energy from CleanMax Thayo and also to switch to 100% renewable energy. Right, so with this transaction, SKF is going to acquire almost 26% of share in CleanMax Thayo. Right, so SKF India is currently trading at around 4,200 200 levels, and the stock PE is slightly higher than the industry PE, and ROCE of this company is very attractive, around 30%. Right, so if you see the share price of this company, it has reached a highs of around 5,100, and then it has corrected to almost around 4,200. Right, it is almost a drop of almost 18 to 20%. And with this transaction that the company has got into CleanMax Thayo will actually help in reducing the cost incurred by the company, which will actually translate into improved margins. If you see the shareholding pattern of SKF India, the promoters' holding is very stable, and in the recent quarter, FIS have increased the stake to 6.48 in December quarter. The second stock which I'll be talking about in this video will be RVNL, which is Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. Right, the RVNL has actually won a contract with NHIA to for a project worth 1,276 crores. Right, so this is basically in partnership with TTIPL, where RVNL will have a percentage of share of 49% in this particular project. Also staying with RVNL, RVNL has also won another contract with the Haryana Orbital Rail Corridor to construct and design a twin tunnel in Haryana. Right, so this project is almost around 1,000 crores. Right, with these two projects for RVNL, the revenue in the coming quarters for RVNL is expected to grow. Right, if you see RVNL stock PE is around 9.3, which is much lower than the industry PE, and also the RVNL provides a dividend of around 2%. Right, ROC is of this company is moderate, around 16 to 17, and if you see the share price of this company, again this has also corrected by around 15 to 20% from its recent highs. If you see the quarterly results of RVNL for the last 10 quarters, it has the top line has been consistently increasing over the last 10 quarters, and so as the net profits. The third stock I'll be talking today is Havells India. Havells India has actually started its commercial production of ACs in the Sri City plant in Andhra Pradesh. Right, Havells India actually doesn't have air condition in the market on its own name. It actually markets Lloyd's air conditions in the market, but this particular manufacturing plant will start manufacturing the air conditions under Havells brand. So this will actually increase the revenue for the company in the coming quarters, especially that the summer is fast approaching. Havells India shares is trading around 1,200 rupees currently, and the stock PE is around 70.5, which is much higher than industry PE. The ROCE of Havells India is very good at around 27.6, and the ROE is around 21.4. If you see the share price of Havells India, it had reached a high of around 1,390, and after that it has corrected almost by 10 to 12% and currently trading around 1,200. Here also the quarterly results of Havells India has been consistently good for the last 10 quarters, where it was around 2,200 December of 2019 and currently it is around 4,120 crores. Also, the net profit has up and down for the last 10 quarters, where it was around 200 and it has reached a high of around 350 and later has been going down to 120, 187 and 284. If you see the shareholding pattern of Havells India, the promoters' stake in this company is stable around 60%. The FIFs have reduced the stake in the last quarter, but the DIs have increased the stake in the company. So this was a short video about the updates of these three companies. Do like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.